Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your headset type and connection so you know which controls matter. Once done, inspect the jack or dongle and batteries to rule out power or loose connection issues. Next, power on the console and use the guide to reach settings quickly. This gets you to the audio panels where the chat mixer lives. Do this now so you can change the software mix without guessing which hardware problem is causing low chat volume. You now dive into the chat mixer controls to balance game and chat audio. First, open volume and audio output and confirm party chat is routed to your headset. This ensures chat goes to the right device. Then move the chat mixer slider toward chat to raise voices or toward game for more environmental sound. That fixes most balance complaints. Also tweak controller volume and any inline headset controls so hardware and software levels align for consistent loudness. You finish by testing in a real chat so you can hear the result and ask someone to confirm your volume. If chat is still low, check for headset firmware or console updates and install them. Drivers fix many bugs. Once updated, power cycle the console and repair the headset to clear stale connections. If problems persist, swap controllers or try a different headset to isolate hardware. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals whether the issue is device or settings related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.